Move it there. We're leaving. Come on.
Are you going to work?
Yeah, I'm going to work later. 5 o'clock. Oh my God. Very cold. Dali, dali. I told you to put in your pocket. Did you put in your pocket?
Ano ba yung nanap niya?
Yung nadampot nga niyang barya.
Ah.
See, you lost it. What did you do with it?
Well, I still have a lot of money.
Hmm? Did you have it? Maybe it fell somewhere else. Did you have it when you came inside?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's in the thing.
Can I eat my ice cream now? You have a straw.
How come ice cream put the straw?
I drink the ice cream.
Can I drink my ice cream? Pops Corner, hello.
Straw, my straw. You can drink your
Hello,
ice cream.
hello. Ah, ay nako.
You can drink it.
It's too cold. Tinidor daw. More can be in ice cream. No, no need na. In the house, we can eat in the house.
I wanna go to. I wanna go.
Say hi.
I wanna go
We
to.
have a lot of food in here now.
Are we going to Dunkin' to get my munchkin?
May nag-aabang. Dalawang nag-aabang dun. It's very, very cold now. It's too cold. Nagbagsakan ng mga vitamins sa likod. Happy Sunday. Say na bye-bye, Pen. I'm on live. You see, we are in Costco. Yeah, Costco. This is a big grocery store. Costco wholesale. See, nakalagay. See, Costco wholesale. Yeah, there's a lot of people. Today is Sunday. See, punong-puno ng mga parking lot dito. Yeah, see. Yeah, still have many people going inside. Nagkarambulan ng mga kotse dito. Nagkarambulan ng mga sasakyan. See, there's a lot of people. Christmas is done, New Year is done, pero ang dami pa rin tao. Sunday. Because it's Sunday, that's why there's a lot of people doing shopping. Sunday, they have only time to come for shopping. Nagbagsakan na to. So, ay naku. Yan, mapapagusulina. Full gasoline. Take the gasoline. Long line also here in the gasoline station. See, haba ng pila. Yes, yes. Hot dog. Ano yung in-order niya? Hot dog. Yeah, during Sunday we go to church 10:30. Oh, 11 o'clock. The church finish 11:30. Just come here. Yan. Pen have the haircut. Yeah, you have a good haircut now,
I want my munchkin.
You still have donut, Pen.
That's not my donut.
Oh, this is mine. Later, I'll just bring it to work for my snack.
I want munchkin.
You want munchkin?